I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me.
Okay, so this dress is called All Business Point, and it's a little bit more of a classier dress. Not that any of them weren't classy, but if you just want a basic brown dress, nude, with some nude heels, a nude bag, and just keep it simple, here's your dress right here. It's semi-weight, lightweight material. Of course, all of their stuff is cheap material, but I feel like for the price that you're paying, I mean, it's kind of decent, especially for us plus size girlies. It's kind of hard for us to find something that's cute and affordable. So I feel like this is a good dress you can wear like to office or to like an interview or something like that. It's very low key. It comes all the way down about to almost to my ankle, depending on how tall you are or how short you are. I really like, because if I was to bend down, you know, my hoo-ha and everything, all my business ain't gonna be showing back there. And so I just really like this dress because it's just simple, elegant, throw it on and you're good to go. Okay, this dress is called Sunday Symphony and it is absolutely gorgeous. The straps though isn't adjustable. I mean, nope. The buttons are stitched on here, so you can't remove the buttons or anything like that. I really like the color because I haven't always been a big fan of florals or anything like that. I've always been a nudie basic girl. I just go with my creams, my browns, my chocolates, my black, my whites, and you know, sometimes gray or anything like that. I've been trying to step into color and discover my color season, which is dark autumn or something like that. And so I like this is supposed to be my color, and I like how it accentuates the waist. It's not too tight or anything like that. Let me show you the back. So I like it. It's like really girly. It comes like halfway down to your leg. It's not too long, not too short, and it's like very airy, and it's like it's not heavy or anything at all. And you can also just, you know, have a few choices and mix and match this up too. But this, I'm really liking this. I probably would just might keep this one. Okay, so on to the next dress. Okay, so this next dress is called Francesca. It's like a baby pink or powder pink dress. I've been trying to find some pink dresses and red dresses, but I'm kind of always picky about the cut and style and what I think would be suitable on me, especially when you're plus size and you got large arms and, you know, stomach and all that stuff. You got to hide certain things. So I really like this dress. It's very lightweight. It's a slip underneath, so it's like a 2-cover dress. It's very lightweight material. The material is actually stretchy. So if you have a pregnancy belly, or you know, if you have more stomach than I do, even with the girl on, I think you can probably get away with this. I think you can do it. I'm not sure about this area right here because it's like I'm not comfortable. I don't think I'm comfortable with the cleavage area. I'm a Christian girl trying to keep it cute, trying to keep it simple. I don't want to necessarily wear undershirt because I feel like, you know, when people wear those dresses, that's like they put on a t-shirt under the dress. I feel like they're just so tacky and so 90s and outdated. Then they put like those tennis shoes on. I'm a little more classier than that, so that would not be me. Let me show you the back. So it's kind of low cut. I do have on a strapless bra. So, I mean, as far as that goes, it will pretty much fit, like cover up the bra area. Cause that's another thing I can't stand is when your garments and everything shows and on display. Because nobody don't want to know what color bra, what color panties you got on. And I don't want to see them lining either. I digress. But I like this dress. It's very cute, very feminine and girly. And I mean, if you feel a little bit insecure or worried about your shoulders, then I would wear like a shawl or those little mini crop jacket cover-ups. I cannot think, what's it called? Bode? Bandu? or whatever, those little half sweaters, you can put that on there and cover up your arms if you feel a little bit more insecure, or if you just, you know, if you like the cleavage area, the girl baby, by all means, do you, sister, do you. Oh my gosh, girls, oh my gosh, this dress is really giving. I did not want to take this dress off. It's called the Shea mesh, and it's a double layer, so it has a slip that you put on first, and then the actual dress, which is like very thin material and see-through. Let me try to give a close-up. So it's like very see-through mesh material, and then you have like the whole one slip that you put on first, and then you actually put on this. I'm sorry, I'm not looking directly to the camera. Hello. I really like this dress. It's very like, when you're curvy, but you kind of want to hide the rolls, kind of want to hide everything that's going on. I like prints, because prints is like, it hides everything. And I like the fact that it's not giving tiger. It's not giving round, like somebody just clawed on the dress or anything. It's like, it's a nice little piece of artwork on here, because I am a piece of artwork. Okay, but I really love the dress. Let me show you the back. So yeah, it's so comfortable too, and it's just so lightweight and airy. I don't have anything bad to say about this dress. I don't. Like, I wish I did have something bad to say about it, but oh my gosh, I am loving this. I just don't know where to wear this to. I can't wear this to work, can I? I don't think so. I'm gonna find out a place somewhere to wear this dress and get this one. I love it. Okay, so this dress is called the Ayla Sleeveless. I did not know that I had purchased a sweater dress, but I like it though. I like the stretch material. I like how curvaceous it makes me feel, but then again, I do have on shapewear. But I really like this dress. Let me show you close up. So it is like a ribbed material on the dress. It has like a little tie. I just put it in like this. I'm pretty sure you can do like a bow or something, but I ain't finna do all that, chat. I am tired. But let me show you the back. It's very simple. It stops right below the knees. So if you're trying to, you know, cover up your knees, or, you know, don't want anything too short, this is a really good dress for that. And even though it's sweater material, it's not too hot. Like, you can still wear it during a, you know, spring or summer or anything like that. It's really not that serious. I mean, you ain't gonna pass out or anything like that. That's what I'm saying. It's very stretchy, and I really love the color. I think that's like a mauve or something like that. I don't know, what color is this? I just be picking stuff out. What color is this? What? Okay. I really like this dress though. I think I'm gonna keep this one. What y'all think? As always, thank you for watching. I love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.